have a drink with us.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? SMS Show, that's right. And today, we got a takeover episode.
Hello, real take.
Hello,
Real.
Hey.
How it do?
That's right, we got the girls from Hello Real Show right here. We got Kayla Joe.
From the scope, you already know. Gio. Right here.
Katrina.
And just so you know, it's not like James told us to come on the show and put Hello Twerk videos. This is the Hello Real playlist. Right?
Yes, we chose these
We
videos,
created
y'all.
this playlist. All the videos that you're going to see, they came from us. This is our playlist that we're donating to SMS. We're trying to show you something. We showing you something.
Hey, you know what? You show me something because I haven't seen this video yet. And I'm
Me
all
either.
about the twerking.
I can't keep my eyes off
This
of
is
it.
like nothing but twerking.
Yes. And the best twerkers, right?
Yeah. They had a girl that won $25,000
At
on
the
here
end.
for being the best twerker.
What?
Yes.
How much did she win?
25,000.
Man, I need to practice.
Hey.
Like, what we doing by like shit?
Easy money.
Shit, I need to be in the mirror twerking.
College.
Yeah, like
College.
college.
Just keep twerking. You see? Cardi B didn't go to college. College sounds like a, I don't know, not a good investment these days. I don't know, who knows? So what do we got this episode, ladies? We got something, we're doing something for you guys. We're doing something for you guys.
So, you know, you got us at the bar, you know, we were like, what we gonna do? So, Hello Real, we're volcanic. We don't say lit.
No more lit?
No.
Donald Trump Jr. says it. Shit. We're volcanic.
And we've been using it for like 3 or 4 years now. So.
Yeah, we need something new.
You know when the news anchors were like, this event was lit last night.
Yeah.
You need
It
to
was
stop.
lit AF. Yeah, that's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
So we say volcanic, feel free to use it. And then obviously we're Hello Real, and our logo is like a teal blue logo. So we figured me and Kat gonna have a competition because we're the alcohols. The
Alcohols.
Alcoholics?
Well, I got two black shirts, so you know, the alcohols.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm making a volcanic drink, and you gonna make
The Hello Real logo drink.
So,
Okay.
and then Gio and James are gonna be the judges. You down for that?
I'm down for that.
Yeah.
You down for that?
I'm down for
Let's
it.
get it.
We
Let's
down.
get it. Let's
That's the
get it.
best drink.
Okay.
Oh, we got some ice. We got some ice. So this is the volcanic drink. So what goes into this volcanic drink?
Okay, so obviously I was thinking like a mountain volcano, so I went brown liquor.
Okay.
Okay.
Crown Royal, you know?
Do you like brown? Post a comment.
Yeah.
That's right.
I like brown men.
I'm a nigga Gaga,
My
Is
name
that
is
brown?
Brownie
All right. Look at the pad. Look at the pad.
Drinks too. That's
Crown
why he's that
Royal,
color.
I would say probably a shot and a half.
Okay.
Okay. Wow, she's very good. She doesn't measure.
Pro.
It's a real mom.
I just like, okay, let's make it this and more.
Hmm.
Okay,
You
What's next?
got Pellegrino.
so
It's
we
already
got Crown
winning.
Royal. Keep it so y'all can see. Now this is simple syrup made with brown sugar. So it's basically brown sugar and water. Boil it up, and so it becomes a syrup.
Hmm.
So and it's equal parts sugar and water. So you add that up to there.
Oh wow.
Already looks like a volcano.
Little dash. Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Right? So then I was like, I need the lava, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I got Grenadine. Here's my lava. Just like a little splash of
Oh,
that.
now it turns red.
Okay.
Pinkish red.
Right? It's like brown and red.
I'm ready to
Yes.
try this. You ready to try this?
Yeah, I'm
I'm
ready.
ready to try this.
And last but not least, you know, volcano, it's an explode.
Wow.
So we need sparkling water. And I like to use I use the prickly pear flavor. You can use another flavor if you want, but I've made it with this when I was testing it out. So just to add a little.
I love San
sparkle.
Pellegrino.
Me too.
Bubbles and stuff.
All right. So Gio.
Alright, let's
Do
Oh,
we
there we
not
have
first?
it. There we have it, huh? Gio gonna drink that whole
You
thing.
could, yeah.
What do you think?
That's good. Sweet though.
Yeah,
It's
it's good. I'm trying to kill the flavor of the.
Yeah.
So, because I know you don't be like a strong drink. I mean, you were the judge.
You want to try it,
It's
Judge?
good.
James?
What did you think though? Was it too sweet or is it alright?
It's sweet. It's a little too sweet. I
Okay,
can't taste
okay.
the liquor in it.
But that's the point.
A good grown up drink, you can't taste the liquor, but I ain't grown up.
You just can take it. You just step on it.
I ain't really grown up.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Should I give it a try?
Yes.
Yeah, you're the judge. You're the judge.
Let's get a drum roll. Let's get a drum roll. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is the Volcanic Drink by Miss Kayla Joe. Ooh-wee.
Ooh,
I like it. I like it. It's
Not
pretty good. You know what? I taste the syrup,
Mm-hmm. That's what
the brown sugar syrup, and it actually gave it a nice little kick. Mind if I do?
Don't drink it all. I want to try it too.
It is really sweet,
Yeah.
but I like a sweet drink.
You see
I like
how much
it.
liquor
Like it?
I like
Can
it.
I try it
You
too?
seen how much
Actually,
liquor
you
I
don't
put in?
Yeah.
taste the liquor.
And I
The
put
sweet,
a lot.
the
Yeah.
sweet dilutes the liquor. I think.
That's the brown sugar.
It is very sweet, but it tastes good. You could drink it.
Grenadine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your turn. Your turn.
I like it. I like it. That was good. Let's give it a round of applause, you guys. Let's give it a round of applause.
Very
What do
good.
you guys think of that drink? You guys can make it at home with San Pellegrino. What is that? Grenadine.
So yes, so these are the ingredients.
San Pellegrino, if you fancy.
Yes, and the grenadine.
The syrup, the boiled syrup.
Yeah, simple syrup, brown sugar, and grenadine.
It was good.
There's your volcanic drink.
I got a little story about Pellegrino. Every time I see this can with this lady and her son, he must have been like 5 maybe. She was like, "Honey, what do you want?" He was like, "I want a Pellegrino, mommy." It's like one of those like overheard SF things. Like, oh my god, this little fucking kid just asked for Pellegrino.
Wow.
Like, dude.
I remember having a Kool-Aid.
Yeah, sophisticated ass kid. Anyway,
Capri Sun, shit.
Oh, you know what? I forgot something.
you're lemon.
Probably.
That's why it's so sweet.
Yes.
Oh,
I forgot the lemon.
Come on. She forgot the-
Okay, maybe that's why it's so sweet. That's why.
Okay.
Garnish.
Now that you gotta.
Should we try it again?
Alright.
We're doing a second try.
Oh, yes.
Much
It
better.
different.
Oh, you're not gonna try it?
I'm on the,
Oh, more,
some
some
more
more.
lemon in it.
Yeah.
He's next.
I was gonna say, he's Latino. I was gonna say.
Let's see. Let's go. Let's give it a shot with the limon.
Better.
Oh wow! It tastes even better with the lemon.
Yeah.
It tastes even better with
That
the
was
lemon.
my bad,
Yeah.
y'all. I forgot.
That's
You
good.
know.
That's good.
Mm.
You
Yeah.
don't taste the alcohol. It's a really good, sweet drink.
That one sneak up on your ass real quick before
So-
you know it.
What's up with the next drink? You got the next drink?
Yes, I got the next drink. I did not put that much thought into it. But anyway, here we go.
I take competition serious.
I know she got kids. I have no excuse. Okay. I will use the shaker.
What do you got for us, Kat?
So I'm gonna put some ice in the shaker.
Oh, mine.
We are going to start with the fun stuff.
What's the fun
Right.
stuff?
Tequila.
Yikes.
Y'all gonna die.
Uh-oh.
So the typical drink, you're supposed to put 1, but I'm gonna do like 2.
Okay.
Because it's cat.
She's trying to really
Okay,
turn
like
it up.
1.5. Okay. 2 ounces of tequila, and then an ounce of. Okay, so an ounce of the peach schnapps.
Peach schnapps. Is there alcohol in the peach schnapps?
Yes,
It's a
I
little bit,
believe
huh?
so. There is 13.75.
It's alcohol.
Oh wow.
It's alcohols.
I mean, it is Saturday. Get your alcohols on.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. And then. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Smile, bitch, come out.
Hey,
Triple check.
triple sec. All right, all right.
We are going to do.
Hit us with it, girl.
How much should I put in this? Yeah, I think it's like an ounce.
Your local hood bartender.
By
I don't measure. It's just a little bit of this and a
We
little
the
bit of
real
that.
city girls.
And a splash of that.
I
Okay.
think it's I think it's 3. This is sours.
Okay, okay.
Although I think I could have just used lemon. Okay.
We still have more lemon.
Okay.
This drink's got all kinds of stuff.
It
Like
does.
you didn't put this thought to it. Like 4 ingredients plus the lemon.
And then this is the magic. The blue crococo. How you say that?
Curaçao.
Curaçao?
Oh, it ain't. It's Curaçao.
It's Curaçao.
What does it mean?
It's Curaçao.
What's
Okay, maybe in
Curaçao?
Spanish it is, but it's
I don't even know what it means. Do you guys know what it means? Post comment. What does this mean?
Yeah.
What's curacoco?
And how do you pronounce it? I'll be watching Tipsy Bartender. It's Curaçao.
Curaçao. You do a splash of Curaçao.
Okay.
I knew charcuterie.
Maybe.
Now we shake them.
Shake it up.
Yeah, there was.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
Put
Shake
my
it up.
hand over it.
Oh, you can actually use the other one here. No. Use this one.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Like this.
Something like that. Yeah.
Don't be a mess.
Shake it up. 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 Up and down. Up and down.
I was like, don't do that.
Keep it on that. It's on the other side. There we go. Keep it on that side. Yeah, there you go.
I told you it was gonna be a mess.
There we go.
And I just
Something like that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, looks almost like a hypnotic drink or something.
Incredible
Incredible Hulk. You guys remember the Incredible Hulk?
I never fucked with
Who
those.
remembers the Incredible Hulk?
I
Was that the
remember
hypnotic and
But
Henny?
I didn't
Yeah.
know. I don't
Shit.
like hypnotic, so I never fucked with those.
I've never had hypnotic, y'all.
It's nasty.
Yeah, that was almost perfect.
All right.
It looks nice. I like the presentation, Kat.
Thank you. Actually, it needs a little.
It is perfectly colored.
It is. No, it's not even. It needs a little bit more of curacao. Give it more. Okay.
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 Have little
Here.
effects and shit.
To wipe my
Alright.
hands.
Jill, you want to give that a little stir with a spoon?
Ooh.
Does this come with lemon? Can you put lemon in it or not?
We can. Shit.
Do whatever you want.
Shit.
I feel like to be fair, you should try it without lemon and then add the lemon, like how they do
Okay.
my drink.
Okay, just to be fair.
All right,
Okay.
let's check it out.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see how it goes. Oh, this one's definitely a lot more sour.
Is it good?
It is. I like it.
They like it.
Yeah.
This is the Hella Real drink. It's
This is the Hella Real logo,
Hella
y'all.
Real drink.
That's the Hella Real drink.
Don't
It
forget.
tastes like a margarita.
It does.
Probably because of the sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does taste like a margarita, yeah.
It's like a blue margarita.
It's like a blue margarita.
Yeah.
Hey, Jen.
It's
I like it.
refreshing.
But,
Come on.
no, it's called the Hella Real drink.
It's hella real.
It's wavy.
Way better with ice.
Wavy.
You can't be drinking alcohol without ice.
Right.
I like it.
Yeah,
I
I like
Too
it.
grown
I
for
like
that.
it.
I like it.
Okay,
I
you
like
guys
it.
deliberate and pick a winner.
Man, that's tough.
You could go back to that one too. You could like
Yeah, you know what? Let me try it again. You know what's interesting? It's
Total.
interesting. I don't know if you guys did this on purpose. Very
Volcanic.
sweet, and one's very sour.
Oh.
One
No, we didn't
sweet-
do that.
No,
on purpose.
we-
didn't.
One's
Yeah.
sour, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
one's sour.
Oh.
I think it's I don't know. You know, it's a tough call. I'm gonna let you go first, Jill. Ladies first.
I'm gonna take a shot
No,
while y'all figure it out.
Deliberate. Like, give the pros and cons.
Well, like I said, this one's sour. This one's sweet. This one's really thick in texture.
It's very rich.
Probably because of the syrup.
Sugar. Yeah.
So it's not good. It's not bad. I'm just
Now
saying.
try.
She's cheating. She's cheating.
I think I'm gonna have to go. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna go with the Hella Real drink. I like the
Oh,
Hella Real
thank
drink.
you.
Yeah, I kind of like the Hella Real. I did like.
The underdog.
I'm gonna have to double down and go with the Hella Real drink.
Double down.
Oh, I thought you already said yes. I was like, I already knew.
Thank you guys. So this is now the official Hella Real drink. If you come through on the show, you have to have one.
Down for that.
That's right. That's
Drink
right.
this by myself.
And speaking of Hella Real, make sure you check out their YouTube channel. Go and subscribe, post comments. They've got a great show with these three lovely ladies. And sometimes I help them produce the show.
Yes. And we be having guests and, you know, we do events and things like that. So you get to see a lot of the culture of the Bay Area.
But make sure you follow Hella Real on Instagram. How do we follow you guys on Instagram?
It's at The Hella Real Show. And then our channel is just Hella Real.
Hella Real.
Like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Also,
Comment.
check out our website, www.thehellarrealshow.com.
That's what's up. For
And-
more goodness with these lovely ladies.
Cheers.
So, Hit the subscribe button, post your comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode.
Keep it positive and keep it pushing.
Later, y'all.
Bye.